I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there.
Oh my gosh, hey, what? This is Walmart. Come on in, come on in. How you doing? What's going on, brother? So we're in here in Walmart looking for stuff for Super Bowl Sunday, and we're gonna be making our own T-shirts today. So it's a lot of people. We got a lot of opportunities to mess with folk. And, what's going on? How you doing? Thank you.
Y'all have a blessed day.
You too. See, everybody's showing love here, bro. It's a vibe today. You recording me? You don't have my permission to record me.
She thick.
So we're looking for sweatshirts, but they have none. Walmart, I'm not angry, I'm disappointed. So I came to Walmart looking for a black sweatshirt, and all they had was orange sweatshirts. I didn't come here for nothing. So we're gonna make it work. You know, it's Super Bowl Sunday, so everybody out shopping. You know, some people looking for like Valentine's and stuff. You know, I don't really do all that, but I mean, if somebody watching this and they want to send me a little post Valentine's Day gift, I mean, my DMs is open. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, right?
Yeah.
So you got your football in your hand. If you can sing to me the NFL theme, I'll cash out you $5 right now.
I can't.
You don't know it?
No, I don't.
Give me a best shot. I'll still sing it to you.
The NFL.
NFL theme. Yeah. Excuse me, bro. You know what, like, I'm looking for, like, the rap. You know where, like, you working? You know where, like, oh, Julian? You know where the rap is?
Like saran wrap?
Like
Plastic wrap that you're out for food?
no, bro, like beef? Like rap beef?
Wrap?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't really like how you looking at me, so I kind of got a beef with you. And, the only way we can settle this is through a rap, though. What do you mean? No, bro. This is my turn. Whoa, hold up, bro. Hold up, Julian. Hold up, bro. Word? You wear it sometimes or no? It's just like.
No, I sold it.
Oh, you did? How much you selling for?
I sold that one for a friend.
I'm sorry, huh?
Like $50.
Did you hear that? What'd you say, Ann? Honestly, all you'll need is some parchment paper, some plastic wrap, an iron. If you don't got no iron at home, get you an iron. You gotta get a printer, or go to the library. It's like 10 cents for like to print something in color. Then you just gonna put all this stuff together, and I'm gonna show y'all the process. And after that, pretty girls love Trey World.
Pretty girls love Trey World.
But you gotta put. And you can look like.
I'm gonna ask you to leave.
For what?
People around here be saying you're being disruptive, and like my coworker came and got me, like I can't.
Oh, I'm sorry. Man. They're asking you to leave. They said you've been.
I'm really gonna need you to leave. Yeah.
I think she needs
You're
your help.
disrupting your customers right now. Like I need you to go.
Ma'am, they're telling you have
No,
to
like
leave.
I'm sorry. You need to get those customers out of here.
I think they're telling you that.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to go. You're being really disruptive. You're being really disruptive.
So, I mean, get all your stuff you can. Don't be like me and get kicked out. But like, we're gonna finish up, wrap this video up. So make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Y'all, this is the fit. This is the final product. Look, check it out. Check it out. Look at that. Look, can you see that? Look, hold up. Whole fit. Fit ain't too good. I just wanna... Look. I think it came out really good. This is the first one, first in a minute. But y'all check it out. This is the final product. Many more to come. One more time.
Pretty girls love Trey World.